Pangatlong delivery namin. Ayan. Pangatlong delivery. Western Store. Wala po siyang plate number. Kasi bago pa. Ayan. Ito yung loob niya. Ayan, ang daming button. Yung kanyang radio. Social. Not include this. This is mine. The driver is not included with the truck. That is mine. So, we will go and deliver again the truck. Toronto traffic. Truck delivered. Diyan sa office na yan, Ayan, dyan yung office. Ayan, puro truck. Yung truck na i-deliver namin, andun. Ayun na siya. Yung may green, yun yung dineliver namin dito. Ayan. So, successful truck delivered dito sa Trenton, ang pangatlong truck namin. Ayan. Sa sunod, sa Sudbury naman. And then, after that, relax. Yung aking amo, ayun o. Nag-drive 4 na oras ata. At least dito, maano lang. Trans tank. So, ayan guys. Ako naman ngayon ang magda-drive. Ayan yung mukha ko. Oh, ngarag. Ayan yung aking amo. Oh. Done?
Done, honey.
So, thank you. Bye-bye.